How to lock individual chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna discuss how we can lock individual chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to lock individual chats on WhatsApp, this is basically a new feature. Previously we only had the option to lock WhatsApp whole app itself but not individual chats, but now you can lock individual chats. So for this, first make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now if this option is not available in yours, do not worry, WhatsApp is slowly rolling them out. Now all you have to do is go and open up WhatsApp here. Once you open WhatsApp, head over to the person to whose chat you want to lock and then just select their profile over here. Now just scroll down, you'll find the option called chat lock, so make sure to tap on it. Here you can say lock this chat with fingerprint, turn it on and then just confirm your fingerprint, and once you've done that, this chat is actually now going to get locked. Whenever you just come back and then you go to the lock chat section here, whenever you just select this, you'll be able to unlock these chats. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and unlock individual chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.